Hi, welcome. Today we are going to talk about Newspaper X theme. It is a multi-purpose blog, magazine, and news theme. So you can create fabulous looking blogs, magazine, and news websites using this theme. So we are gonna install this theme today on our website. So this video is about how you can install the theme and the demo data on your website. So let's start. This theme is the paid theme, so you have to buy it from this website, Evento Market. You can also download directly from the tag div. So I bought this theme from this website, so I will just download. I just need all files and documentation. Just download it. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's extract this thing. Let's extract. We have to install this one, this newspaper theme, this newspaper file to install the theme. Here is our WordPress dashboard. So click on Appearance, Themes, and Add New. Upload a theme, choose Theme, go to your folder, Newspaper X file, and just upload this. Install now. It will take few seconds. And after just installing the theme, just click on Activate. Okay, you have to install all these plugins to work this theme. So let's install and activate the plugins. It will take few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes maximum, but yeah, it takes time. Okay, so our theme is successfully installed and our plugins are successfully installed. So now you can use the pre-built website. Like right now, my website is looking like this. Just this blank theme, like editor, pics, popular posts, popular categories, and about us, follow us, like this kind of page you'll see. When you will use the pre-built website, there's a dozens of pre-built websites. There's few example. So you can use all these themes, all these pre-built websites to you can install on your website. Like this will exactly look like this if you install. For example, if I click on here, so if I install this theme, my website will exactly look like this. So let's try one. I want to install like this one, Tech News Pro. This is looking great. I like this theme. So I will just click install here, include content. Yes, I want all this content. So I'll click yes. It's installing. It takes few seconds. It takes few seconds. It's okay. I'm sorry. This cough is killing me. Yeah, just wait for a few seconds. Then you are ready to go. Almost done. Okay, it's installed. Now, if you see your website, before it was looking like that, and now it's looking like this. I think I installed the wrong page. I installed this one. No, I installed this one, right? Yeah, let's see. This is our website. Oh, wait a second. Why it's looking like this? I installed that theme. I installed Magazine Pro. Which one is the Magazine Pro? Hold on a second. I installed this one. There is, okay, I installed this one accidentally. Okay, it's looking like this now. This one, this website. I accidentally installed Magazine Pro, but it's fine. The point is, I want to explain how you can install the demo data on your website. So this is the magazine website, pre-built website with all the demo data. Look at this beautiful menu, this mega menu. Like you can create the tabs like this: lifestyle, fashion, gaming, fitness, video, and etc. etc. So you can use this pre-built website, or you can create everything from starting the way you want. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. We'll explain more about this theme, like how you can set up the header, how you can set up your what it call the banners, this blogs, and the ad area, and the social media icons and other things. We'll discuss these things in other video. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thanks.